You can get leads all day, but if the quality is not there, they're good for nothing. Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to walk you through how to improve your lead quality through some really simple changes to your website form. By doing this, you're going to make sure that you're optimizing towards the right quality metrics with all of your ads, and just in general, you're contacting the right customers at the right time. So first off, let's take a look here. Here is a basic contact us form. A first name, a last name, an email, and a phone number. I absolutely hate this. And the reason that I hate this is because it's so basic, anybody could fill out this form and you would have no idea who they are. That's why before you even start with a contact form, you need to make sure that you figure out what the person is interested in. Are they interested in a service? Are they interested in a job? Or are they interested in support? So before they even get a chance to fill out this first step of the form, you want to ask them these qualifying questions. And if they're interested in a job, they should have the ability to go to a different direction, such as another form for jobs or an email address for jobs, jobs@yourcompanyname.com. If they want support information, it could be support@yourcompanyname.com, but they do not go through this form. In addition to that, on this first step in the form, it's really important that you've got some type of spam filtering software. But even after that, this is not enough. It's so important that you further qualify your leads to ensure that you're contacting the right people. So let's see what that looks like. In many cases, you're going to want to get information such as their website information. You're going to want to find out their budget. You want to find out how quickly they want to get started with your product or service. If you just ask everything that's in step 1 and you never ask the things in step 2, you might not have any idea what company this person is associated with. Now, that might not matter if you're in a certain type of industry, but if you don't ask their budget, you'll have no idea if they're within the qualification range for you. And if you don't ask them how quickly that they might want to get started, you have no idea where they are in the buying process. Now, these are just the most basic though. You need to have the right information to contact them, and you need to have the information to qualify. So when you think about your own business and your own lead generation, what are the main things you need to know to qualify this prospect before they even fill out the form? If you can do that, that's going to make it so that your data is not inflated and you actually have sales qualified leads. Just to recap, make sure they're actually interested in a service before they even fill out any of the form. Make sure that you've got a spam filtering system, and then make sure you're asking qualifying questions to make sure you have enough information to actually contact them and enough information to qualify them as a true prospect. If you do these things, then you're going to have a lot more qualified leads online, and you're going to be wasting a lot less time for your sales team and the people who are following up with these prospects for your business. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. I always appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.